Blogging, free internet marketing method.
It's been years since blogging has been practiced. But it's just recently that it has been considered as one of the addicting fads. Many teenagers have resorted to blogging as an outlet for their emotions, a little online nook where they can blurt out whatever just bugs them or whatever makes them feel elated. Savvy marketers have discovered that blogging is one of the best internet marketing methods that won't cost you a cent. What exactly is blogging? Blog is the widely used term that refers to weblog. Basically, a blog is an online journal. A blog could be set up to no cost at all, and can be used for the fun of it or for business reasons. Blogging for your internet business is one surefire way to boost the visibility of your products and services. Here are a few ways to boost your internet advertising with the help of a blog. 1. Make your clients or customers abreast on your website's alterations. Your new products and affiliate websites could also be announced through your blog. 2. Keep track of your business objectives and plans through open writing. Your blog content can be easily stored through archives. What could be better than searchable information that could be easily accessed by anyone browsing the web, right? 3. Air your opinions, advice, or reviews on specific services or products that are related to your business. Publishing is a very easy process with blogging. 4. Include links that will fetch back links and subsequently improve your ranking on search engines. This could be better executed through putting well-written articles in your website. Affiliate links could also be included in your blog to earn more extra income. 5. Collect response through the ability of blogs to fetch comments from your blog readers. You can learn and improve your products and services through with the feedback from your readers. 6. Connect easily with other bloggers. When other bloggers notice that you have something good in your blog, they will put you in their favorite lists that will automatically link you to their blogs. So, how do you set up a blog? Here are some of the options you can make use of to take advantage of this fun way to advertise your internet business. Either you load a blogging software or let a blogging hosting service do it for you. Host services such as LiveJournal and Blogger.com are the most popular in this field. Those hosts will provide you with easy instructions on how to put up your blog. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.